Okay, now for 9 and 10, it says graph the following, and it says it's on page 17 and 10. That feels like a typo to me. It might be 17 and 18, but it might be 17 and 10. You never know. You can find some good examples. So we start off just by graphing these, and feel free to use your graphing calculator. Start off with y equals 4x squared, and you will get the following points. And we can graph those. And remember, I just took the whole numbered integers that fit on the actual graph. And so, see if I can make this a little cleaner. Goes up like that, and then up through there, and then kind of up like that. Oh, and Mr. Hunter forgot that this is a dashed line. So I'm going to go through and make it a dashed. Why is it a dashed line? Because it doesn't have that little or equal to line underneath the inequality sign. Because of this right here, it does not get a solid line because the line is not included. Alright, then go in and plug in your second equation, y equals 2x squared minus 4. And you will get those points in your calculator when you go to the table. So if I go ahead and plot these, I got 0, negative 4. If I go out 1 in either direction, I'm at negative 2. I go out again in either direction, I'm at negative 4. And this time I'll get it right the first time. It is a solid line because it has the little or equal to bar underneath it. So we are going to draw the best solid line that we can. And again, nothing but perfect artistic perfection is allowed in Mr. Hunter's math class. As you can tell, I have wonderful handwriting. Anyone who says anything different just failed the class. Just kidding. So here we go. So we got both our lines up. The last thing we got to do is shade them. So the first one, the blue line, we want less than 4x. So we want everything below the blue line. The second one, we want greater than the line. So we want everything above the green line. So we want below the blue, but above the green. So this is the area that is below the blue and above the green. That is the area that we will shade. For number 10, we'll do something different. This time it's we have equations, not inequalities. So we're going to plot them the same way, but we're going to be looking to where these two equations cross. So go ahead and get points for the first one and for the second one. Just plug those in your calculator. When you plug those two in for equations, these are the points that you will get. These are the whole number of points that you get from the table. And we can go ahead and plot all of those to the best of our ability. So I'll start with the blue one. We got negative 1, negative 3. We've got 0, 3. Oops, get that right there. 1, 5, 2, 3, and 3, negative 3. So this guy comes down like this. Probably straight through there like that. Oop. Helps if I grab the right spot on my iPad. So there's the blue one. The green one we'll do the same thing for. We've got negative 2, negative 11, which is actually down here. We've got negative 1, negative 6. Oh, I'm reading this backwards. That's negative 2, positive 11. Oops. Negative 2, positive 11. 1, 6. 0, 3. Oh, there's one of them right there. It's one spot of overlap. 1, 2, 2, 3. Look, there's the other one. 3, 6. And 4, 11. Which again, just barely off the map. So this one's a little wider. Oop. 411 is actually right there. All right. And so your solutions for this one are right here, 0, 3, and right here, 2, 3. And again, you probably could have looked at the chart and said, oh, well, those are the same. And you could say, oh, well, those are the same. Therefore, those are my two solutions. And yes, you would have been absolutely right. But again, this is a test. We gave you a graph. You better fill out the graph, even if you don't feel like it. Sorry. So, yes, those are solutions. Yes, you still need to graph it. All right.